E get additional 2 points wey I wan add put inside this video wey I think many of una don see, where BBC News Pidgin interview or showcase this our sister, elderly woman wey dey help pregnant women. And the major thing wey this woman dey mostly do na to massage them from head to toe and so on. I go leave you make you watch am in case you never watch am before. If you don watch am before, make you fast forward. I get 2 things wey me wan talk. I don old reach to say something reasonable. Make you stay to the end and comment to don.
I decided to come home for her because I don't see many people wan go for her. I dey come here. She only check if the baby don position well. Because during the first month, I been dey feel pains for my waist. So when I come, them say the baby dey for my back. So I need to stop work and I need to go hospital to go register. Then she gon turn the baby come my front.
Afiko is in East.
For health center, they will only check your baby if your baby is moving. But in my case, man will check your baby by massaging from your head to your toe. For here, I come with man as or maybe headache or my waist or anywhere my body pain me, just massage. And when I go to hospital, it was only medicine that will give me. Sometimes we take the medicine, the pain will still be there.
You see?
No, I'm only a big now. And they come to the midwife side. Now only 500 she will collect to just check you. Then for hospital, even if you want to go to hospital, the least you will spend are just 3,000. But now during the first and the second time we will go, if spend like, let me just say like 10,000-12,000. Both your registration or some kind of. For the hospital, the advantage of the hospital is say, one, they give drugs, they prescribe drugs for malaria too. Spiritually, they don't see things, not only physically. But when I come here, she should tell me both physical and spiritual. When they preach about someone they talk about someone they go, they only tell us say if you go touch, only they have rights, someone they take anything all these weighty drinks. Then when they mix am with English medicine, say they're very wrong. The other one say when you go come midwife, midwife no go tell you say need go hospital, they're very wrong. I know say midwife they never give you, maybe they never give you drugs.
Massaging.
I don't get to already. I burn am for my hand because my neighbor always come for nights. So I need to feel it to go health center. So I didn't want come my place to come born. And everything they do, okay. It go good. When they go hospital, go register. Now they're very good too because of those injections. Then for the midwife, you do okay because now she go to check the position of the pikin. Because you get the pikin go there, even if you chop, you know, chop well, because say you know they when they do upside down.
One of the ladies said what I actually wanted to say. And waiting that girl say, the lady said, be say, it good may you register for the 2 places. If the woman is good at massaging, then the hospital is good at prescribing you medicine and the injection. Then you can carry on with the 2. So in my own checklist, I put good mark for this thing. What she's doing is advisable. Why? Because we cannot put all our eggs in one basket. You never ever think, say, if Oyibo want to discipline us, if Oyibo people now say, okay, all the medicine where they bring come from our place is defrauded or is polluted. You get what happened for Germany, 1950 something. So if you look on this picture here, you will see what happened in 1950s. Now, German medical companies, they made mistakes. And this mistake affected so many people that could afford medicine those days. If to say our people don't afford medicine those days, now so we for born people without hands, without limbs, without legs, and so many disabilities. If you see here now, the German company that invented thalidomide has issued first apology in 50 years to thousands of people born with disabilities after their mothers took the drug. So you cannot just say taking drugs is the ultimate. There are still mistakes going on today. They are experimenting with people sometimes. So may I just say how I know this thing? Not be every small thing you go wrong, go to swallow medicine. Till today, what they tell you, They know they take medicine anyhow in Germany. Before they go give you, as a pregnant woman, before they go give you medicine, it go hard. Now here they live. So now be say our people for home, every little thing they will go take injection. Later you will come no know wetin dey kill you. You no know wetin dey happen to you. If this woman na only massage she dey do, mostly she no dey give you much, and she will cancel you those spiritual things wey dey tell you. As you can see that picture, there is smile on her face. There are, even the other one say she don born like the second time for this woman, for this man hand, and she is fine, she is happy. Based on the economic side, no side effect, she will massage you because she has been doing this for a long time. The second thing I want to say about this woman be say make they support her. If she get money, the place will not look untidy, look dirty. To her level of ability, financial support will make her look professional. We should not neglect our gifted mothers who are gifted in this area of midwifery. There are gifts for this. Not be all these people wey fool everywhere, quack nurses, people wey even know want to touch human being because they just like the profession nurse. They go, they do one, they kill others. So the thing why I want to say be say this woman needs support. Secondly, make our people know they depend on the medicine every now and then. It's good to register because there could be a complication. But this woman, as in the do am, if you won't go there, if you know anyone, massage is important. What's most important thing is peace of mind. If you're pregnant with a get death, women we won't born because of the no rest of mind. You won't get this one, you won't get this one. You won't still born the same time they do business, they work everywhere and there. Have peace of mind. If not bread you see, eat them with peace of mind. It will serve you. It's not about money. It's not about too many things where you eat. Some people they drink only water. They will still deliver peacefully. Some people they will get belly. Now so they go they find trouble. They go everywhere. Now that time they go they make trouble with their husband or their siblings or their people around them. Share this video and like them please, so that other ladies go see them too. We need to encourage this woman. And if you know anyone is pregnant around you, one of the most offer you can give to them is encouragement. Be a peaceful person around them, and you where they get belay, make you they find peace. And if you know someone that is good at massaging, may you approach the person. If the person is a close person, like elderly person, like you know the person will go put problem for your body. See you next time.